I've got 7 rainbow-coloured locks, that makes me unique. I've got 7 pairs of pants and socks, one for each day of the week.
Nice picnic.
I can't wait.
It looks so yummy.
That's a 5-star picnic. Let's get stuck in, shall we?
Oh, the sun's gone in.
That's unlucky.
Starting to rain.
That's unlucky.
It's raining a lot now.
That's unlucky.
Stand tall.
Anyone got an umbrella?
I've got one.
Only one.
That's unlucky.
I can share it. Six plus 1 equals 7.
I am 7. Am I in heaven?
You're in Numberland.
Oh, lucky me.
A rainbow. Wow.
What? What happened? Look! Oh, a mirror. That's lucky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 colours. I'm all the colours of the rainbow. Now, isn't that a stroke of luck? Luckily, I know just what to do now. 7
Minus 1 equals 6.
All you lovely blocks are my friends. I'm the luckiest number block in the world. I'm lucky number 7. I'm in a happy place. The sun is always shining and there's always a smile upon my face. I see a penny and I pick it up, and all day long I have good luck. I'm lucky number 7, and everything is falling into place. I'm lucky number 7, and as you might have guessed, I always win the raffle. With 7 on your side, you're 7 blessed. In a pickle, you're in luck. I'll help you out when you get stuck. And if you stick with 7, everything will work out for the best.
Yay!
Rainbow time!
Red.
My first block is the same as you.
Orange.
My second block is the same as 2.
Yellow.
My third block is just like number 3.
Green.
My fourth is green, as you can see. Blue for 5. Indigo for 6. Violet is for 7. Oh, that's me. I've got 7 rainbow-coloured locks, that makes me unique. I've got 7 pairs of pants and socks, one for each day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 golden tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All my ducks are in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nothing's gonna stop me. All my traffic lights are on go. I'm lucky number 7. I'd like to chance my arm in tricky situations. There's really no reason for alarm. I take problems in my stride. I've got fortune on my side. I'm lucky number 7. When you're with me, I'll be your lucky charm.
Wonderful world and when... No! Oh, what was that? Hello?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Ooh, what's that?
It's one. One fluffy thing.
So cute! I wish I had a fluffy. Hey! Hey! 1, 2. 2 fluffies. They won't stop tickling.
Uh-oh! What do we do now?
Tell the others. Come on.
Look at me. 1, 2, 3. 3 fluffies. Oh no! Stop!
Look, a fluffy square.
Don't count them.
Count them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fluffies.
Would you look at that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fluffies on 5 fingers.
Let's roll. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fluffies.
How lucky running into all of you. I see you've met the fluffies too. Aren't we all lucky? Come on, fluffies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fluffies. Sevens are not ticklish. How lucky is that? Oh, have you all had enough tickling? Why don't you just make 7s then?
How?
I'll show you. 1 and 6.
1 plus 6 equals
7. Oh, that's better.
Pick me.
my turn.
2 and 5.
2
Plus 5
equals
7. Oh, that's better. 3 and 4. 3
Plus 4 equals
7. Oh, they've all stopped. We're so lucky. What do we do now? Oh. 8.
Have no fear. Octoblock is here. Octoblock tickle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tickle. Ready for more?
Hooray for 7! Hooray for 8!
Hooray for everyone!
1, 2, 3, bum, bum,
Lucky catch.
I wish I could be you, 7. You're so lucky.
You can be me. Just ask a friend to jump on your head.
Oh.
But first, you have to know the difference between you and me. We all have a place, but we're different. That's very easy to see. We're all friends here, but we're different. But what makes you you and not me?
I'd love to be you, but I come up short.
I need to add something, but what?
I'd love to be lucky like 7. What have you got that we haven't got? if the difference won't pop into your head, you can count the missing blocks. 1, 2, 2. The difference is 2.
So, what's the difference?
7 minus 3 equals 4. That's the difference.
4.
7 minus me equals 6. That's the difference. 6.
7 minus 5 equals 2. That's the difference.
2.
So make up the difference, and everyone will see what the difference is between you and me.
I'd love to be you, but I come up short. I need to add something, but what?
I'd love to be stronger like 9 is.
What have you got that we haven't got?
You can count on your hands. 7, 8, 9. That's the difference. 3. 1, 2, 3.
You can fill in the space. That's the difference. 1. And if the difference won't pop into your head, you can count number blocks in place.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. The difference is 5.
So, what's the difference?
9 minus 6 equals 3. That's the difference. 3.
9 minus me equals 1. That's the difference.
1.
9 minus 4 equals 5. That's the difference.
5. So make up the difference, and everyone will see what the difference is between you and me. I'd love to be you, but I'm much too big. We need to lose something, but what?
I'd love to have some of your talent.
What makes you two, and someone we're not? I can walk through a door.
Oh,
That's the difference.
7.
I could get into bed.
Oh,
That's the difference.
8.
And if the numbers won't pop into your head, you can count the extra blocks instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
The difference is...
5.
So, what's the difference?
9
Minus 2
equals 7.
That's the difference.
7.
10.
Minus 2
equals 8.
That's the difference.
8.
7.
Minus 2
Equals 5.
That's the difference.
5.
So take off the difference and everyone will see what the difference is between you and me. We all have a place where we're different. You have to admit we've come far. We're all friends here, but we're different. And the differences between us make us who we are.
6 plus 1 equals
7. I am 7, and I feel lucky. Chapter 7. Falling on my feet. Fancy meeting you up here. That's lucky. I'm 7. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks. Oh, how funny. That cloud is red. And here comes orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Watch this. Whee! Hoo-hoo-hoo!
Oh!
Look out! 7
plus 1
equals
8. I am 8.
7 number blocks and me, counting everything we see. Flying a kite, rainbow kite.
Turning on the lights, rainbow light.
7 number blocks and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 kites.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lights.
7 number blocks